What's up, everybody? This is Crypto Corey back with another cryptocurrency video. I must say this in the disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and do not click on any links in the descriptions, do not click on any links in the comments. If I put any links, they will be in the descriptions. So let's jump right into the video. So I have taken a little break from trading the past couple of days. I mean, it's just healthy to do so. But what I do want to talk about are two cryptocurrencies coming out on the market, two that I'm personally not going to invest in because I'm just personally into low cap coins. We're going to talk about Sienna. So long story short, this coin, it's 3:33 a.m. currently. The time of this video, it's going to come out in the next hour and 26 minutes and 51 seconds. I have already looked up this cryptocurrency over on Coinbase, and it's going to open up around like $45, $46. I really don't think it's going to do too much. It's already been on the run up. So if we jump over to Coinbase and look at this this coin, this is the 1 hour chart. It's already had a little run up. So if it does anything, it'll probably be pushing at $46.28, somewhere in there. There's not really too much to be made. What this thing has already seen on a high is $57, and that's pretty much its all-time high. So I really don't see it doing too much, so I'm kind of staying away from that for sure. Let's jump back over to the next coin that's going to come out in basically 25 minutes. So probably by the time this video uploads, if you have your post notifications on, you will get this time-sensitive information if you are interested in a cryptocurrency called Push. It's on the Ethereum platform, and it's a layer 2. And basically, let's jump over to Coinbase. Check it out. We're going to type in Push, see what it's been trading at, because I dominantly trade on KuCoin. So right now, price is $3.15. Its all-time high is $8.77. This is still a high cap coin to me. I like stuff that's like below 10 cents. That's usually like where I like to party. But if I jump around the 1 week time frame, we're still around $3.45. So I can see this thing jumping up to about $3.45 pretty easily. Especially with the release on KuCoin, it's going to have a little peak. But if we look at the 1 hour chart, it's already starting to make a U-turn on Coinbase. And so we'll jump back over. I'm probably not going to jump in either one of these. But what I do want to talk about is, I don't mean to click on Solana, short for sure, is Shiba. Shiba is where the trading has been. So every weekend, I mean, if you've been trading for a while, you're going to see the reds on the weekend. A lot of people back out of trading on the weekend, not necessarily saying the stuff is dipping out. It's just people are selling off and putting their money in a stable coin because they just, they like to actually enjoy their weekends, kind of like I do. So there's a lot of day traders that will back off on the weekends, in whales especially, and the market will dip a little bit, but it needs to do that for consolidation purposes. And we look over at Shiba. Shiba's where I'm at. And we go back to the daily chart of what it's doing. It's already past its triangle pattern, and it's looking real bullish. So I think Shiba's going to take a little runoff, especially when it passes the 35. So this thing is so cheap, it's not even funny. It's just such a low cap coin, and it's got 12 billion behind it. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. It is freaking ridiculous. It is a Doge killer. It's whatever you want it to be, but I'm personally not interested in it. But at the same time, I'm interested in it because it has a huge market cap. Sorry about that if you heard that. I'm by the airport, so I got planes flying overhead, so I'm trying to make this video for you guys and make sure you get this content, this time-sensitive content. So if you are not invested into Shiba, I suggest you do so. I mean, it's just smart. So, like I said, I'm not telling you where to spend your money or where to put your money, but this is where I'm putting my money, is on some Sheeb. So I've bought some Sheeb. I haven't bought a ton of it. I mean, a little bit goes a long way with Sheeb. So I've got a few $100 on Sheeb. I might throw more at it, but we'll just see where it goes and how it goes. But I have been taking a break, so I mean, it's just good for your mental health to back off a little bit and get some clarity and focus on the task at hand, is to make money in cryptocurrency if you're a crypto day trader like myself. If you're a diamond hands hodler, which there's nothing wrong with that, it's just I like to make my money and get out, move on to the next one. If I see something with massive potential, I really think Shiba Inu has massive potential. So there's some other coins out there that I'm interested in, but I really don't trade on them because they're not on the KuCoin platform. And just based off your location and where you are, a lot of times you really can't get access to a lot of the coins out there. Like Binance has its own specialty coins, and KuCoin has its own specialty coins as well. But let's jump back into the 8-hour chart on Shiba. Shiba's still looking bullish. This is a very, very upward bull pattern formation happening, which is very, very strong. We'll back it down to the 4-hour. Like I said, when in doubt, zoom out. Same thing happening on the 4-hour chart. It's already past its previous high right here, and it's holding steady, and it's forming another flag triangle style pattern, which is very bullish. Go back to the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart's looking very, very bullish. A lot of green candles, not a lot of red. When you see a lot of red and a little bit of green, it's time to get out. So right now I'm still very bullish on Shiba. This is kind of my coin of the past few days. I really didn't want to post a video on it and it be a bunch of hype and then, you know, tell my subscribers, my little bit of subscribers that I do have, to go, hey, go jump into Sheeb, and then all of a sudden it tanks from its crazy all-time high. But right now I think this is just the beginning of its bull cycle, of this little spike that it's having. So I think this week is going to be very bullish for Sheeb, and the next few days are going to be massive profits. So if you got into Sheeb way back when, let's just say down yonder way, you made a ton of money. I'm not one of those people that bought into Sheeb way down here just because, you know, I'm not into putting a Duracell battery in my back and hyping me up. So I mean, I like to invest in things that are moving, but this thing was dormant forever. So if we go back on the 1-week chart, I mean, this thing was dormant for weeks on weeks on weeks on weeks, and all of a sudden it has a massive run up, and you really can't time that. Nobody knows what that's going to do, but it happened. It did, and you know, I wish I had something on it. I wish I wasn't so stubborn on that. So just be more open-minded on certain things, especially when they're trading sideways. That's really, honestly, the best time to put something on it, especially when they're low cap coins, and they can make you a bunch of money. So I want to keep this video short and sweet, so this video won't take forever to upload, and I hope you guys have a blessed morning when you get this. And this is Crypto Corey, and I'm out.